wish you were mine.
What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this tutorial I'm going to tell you about div tags. What is the reason of div tags is, as I showed you, that if you see over here, it's showing that it is going to highlight one, and then it is going to highlight second, and it is going to highlight third one, and then fourth one. So what is the reason that it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4 and on? So why it is actually because it is divided, that this is single website. As you see that it is showing w3 school, here it is showing html.com, and here it is showing Wikipedia and so on. So what is the reason that it is one website then another and then another? It is because it is in div tags. So every div tags has a different ID, or you can say it as class. So it has a different ID for single thing, and you can add class to it. So I'm going to go back to our text editor, and I think this is getting too much. You can see that how many lines have been written, so I think I should make another one. So I'm going to go and create new file by clicking on file option, and there you have many files. So what I'm going to do is make from blank, so it gets from, as you see that it is showing line 1 column 1, and there we have made 19 lines, and there we have written down 143 lines by now. So that's very nice that you're going very fast. So I'm going slow, but I think you have understand it whatever I explained you. So what I need is first document type. I'm going to go on and paste it, and then I have to add some lines. So I'm going to add HTML, small HTML. It is actually the recap for you, but I think you need to watch this because this is the main basic thing you will need to add. So title, div, learning, div tags. So I kept the title as learning div tags. Inside the div tag we have the body, and then close the body, and there we have made from scratch. Scratch means from blank, and this is the lines we have to write. And as you see that it's kind of readable, but it's not. So what we will do is go with type head tag. I'm going to indent it. I'm going to go and add space over here. I'm going to put space over here. I'm going to put space, and there we have it, much more readable and much more convenient for everyone to read. So to have the div tags, so what we will do is go and add div. I'm going to space and put id as equal to, and then close it. So closing it, it auto completed by adding slash to it, backslash, and after that what we are going to put id as. So as I have a keyboard, it is saying QWE, so I write it off. It's up to you, whatever the content is. According to content you can add id to it and class to it. Then another will be div class. I'm going to put as equal to, the colon, and then close it by like that. I'm going to add some space, and then what I see is WQE, then RTY, or you can add like some lines. Okay, one more thing I wanted to tell you, that as I have kept the ID and class name, we don't have to put any space like some text, so this won't be accepted. but in place of space you can add like this and put a capital T. It is like a hump of a camel that it is going smooth, but as you change the word, just go and put it capitalized. It is used in programming most of it all, but if you don't put over here, it's okay, but it's better to have the understanding of how you are going to put. Like if I put S capital and then T, it looks better, or just go and type T and small t, and I'm going to put a colon. As we make any Gmail account or some email, we are going to put like that. So this is some text. I'm going to put random words over here. This is where I am going to make some of the food contain so you can be awesome at it. So there you can be awesome at it. So I'm going to put capital T and I put full stop. It's like a grammar. So as I entered something, I'm going to add one more div tags, div, and then close it, and then close it. I'm going to class it, and what should I do is random words. So I'm going to put random words, random text, and this time I think I'm going to write like that so it makes you understand. So random text, here I am going to add some random text to make me understand the tags. So as you see that I have written some text, and here I have mentioned it's for random text. So what I will do is I will see some text, so I can refer that this column is for some text, and this is class type, and this is random text, and this is random text. So what is in the content, if you put the name it as same, so it will be better. You can add ZealPlex 1, ZealPlex 2, ZealPlex 3, and it's up to you, but it won't make any sense that what is the description, what are the content, and what are the class name, and what is the ID. I will keep it as here I learned about some ID in dev from HTML and in web designing course. So we have written some files, and I always forget to add capital S, so it kinda look nice. And I'm going to put full stop, and then I'm going to put full stop, and there you have it. You have made div tags from scratch. Not to worry, we are going to go file, save as, and then I'm going to go back to our desktop. I'm going to name this file as, what do we say, I'm not going to make it in index because we have made it previously. So I'm going to name it as learn tut, as for tutorial, tuts.html. I'm going to go and file save. So I have made another icon here, and there you have index and tuts. We have made two of them from there, and there you see tuts.html in a untitled one. and then you can have it. So see you in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.